welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain 10th class Maths state syllabus chapter 3 polynomials. In that, next topic is graphical representation of quadratic polynomial. Previous video, I completed graphical representation of linear polynomial, and that the graph of a linear polynomial will be straight line, I said there. Now today in this video I am going to explain graphical representation of quadratic polynomial. Before going to representation, first what is quadratic polynomial? If the degree of the equation is 2, then we can call it as quadratic, right? So here general formula or general expression of quadratic polynomial is general quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general quadratic polynomial. Here a is not equal to 0. Okay, a, b, c are real numbers we can take. Okay, now that condition also previous video I explained. If what happen if a is equal to 0? If you substitute a is equal to 0, this will become 0. This bx plus c is equal to 0. So bx plus c is equal to 0. You will get linear polynomial instead of quadratic polynomial, right? Why we are calling this is a linear polynomial? Why? Because degree 1, x power 1 is there. So this is the linear polynomial we will get if a is equal to 0. That's what we should mention the condition. A is not equal to 0. Whenever a is not equal to 0, then only you will get the quadratic polynomial. Now, what is the graphical representation? Actually, the graph of a quadratic polynomial will be, it depends on the condition. Okay. So, the shape of the graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial, if a is greater than 0, then the graph of the quadratic polynomial like this shape. Okay, if a is less than 0, the graph of the quadratic polynomial like this shape. What we can call the name of the shapes? Okay, these shapes we can call it as parabola. Name of shape parabola. Okay, generally this shape of the name we can call it as parabola. It depends on the condition. If greater than 0, upward parabola. If a less than 0, downward parabola. We can call upward, downward. Okay. Now, it depends on the condition also I said now. Now one example I will explain. Okay, graphical representation of quadratic polynomial. Let us see that. Before going to that, let us erase this. Once take the screenshot. This we can call it as upward parabola. This we can call it as downward parabola. Okay. Simply how it will be looks like on the coordinate axis like this. How it will look like? Downward parabola. This is downward parabola. This is upward parabola. If you take it properly, this is upward parabola. This is downward parabola. Okay, let's take the screenshot. Next I will start one example. So I will show you the shape of the quadratic polynomial will be parabola. Okay, by taking one example. Very simple. One numerical example I will take and I will show you. So that is x square minus 3x. One example. X square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial. Why? Because degree 2 is there. Now that's what we can call it as. Let y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Now find the values. Just any 5 6 values you can take it. Okay. Here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Enough. Okay. X, y, x comma y. Now find the values. If x is equal to minus 2. Okay, or minus 3. Starting, I am taking from the here. So if you substitute minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3 minus 4. 9, 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 minus 4. Here 18 minus 4. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 minus 4, what you will get? 14. Y is equal to 14. So here 14. Here minus 3 comma 14. Okay. Next case, if x is equal to minus 2, what will come? Y value. Okay. Here minus 2 whole square, minus 3 into minus 2 minus 4. So 2 square. So here minus is there, but even power is there means it will come plus only. 2 2s are 4, plus minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 minus 4. Here plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. 6 is the y value. Okay. So here minus 2 comma 6. Next, here if x is equal to minus 1, so y is equal to minus 1 whole square, minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Okay, 1 minus into minus plus 3 minus 4. Okay, 4 minus 4, 0. So if it is minus 1, then y is 0. Then we can write minus 1 comma 0. Okay, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 whole square minus 3 into 0 minus 4, right? These two are zeros only. This is minus 4. So y value minus 4 you will get. Minus 4. Now 0 comma minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. Next, if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 4. 1 minus 3 minus 4. 1 minus 7. Why I am taking 7? Why? Because here same, these two numbers having same symbol, right? So whenever the same symbol is there, we can add that numbers and that symbol only we can write it. So minus 6. Here plus number minus number we can subtract. Okay. So after subtraction, greater number having what symbol, that symbol only will come in the answer, right? Here minus 6. So 1 comma minus 6. Next, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 whole square minus 3 into 2 minus 4. 4 minus 6 minus 4. 3 2s are 6 now. Plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. Y is equal to minus 6. Okay. So here y is equal to minus 6. For 1 we got it minus 6 only. For 2 also we got it minus 6 only. Yes sir? Minus 6. Next if one take the point, if y is x is equal to 3, what it will come directly? I am writing 3 square minus 3 into 3 minus 4. 9, 3 3s are 9, minus 3 3s are 9, minus 4. Plus 9 minus 1, 9 will get cancelled, minus 4 will be the y value. Now 3 comma minus 4. Okay, after getting these values, now represent these points on the graph, right? I hope you took the screenshot. Just how to find the y values, these are all. Okay, without calculation you will not get the xy points. Now once let us see the points. Plus 14 plus 6 y values up to 14. Okay, minus values up to minus 6. X values minus 3 and and plus 3. Okay, so y values are only more here. Okay, so for that just I am taking xy, this is y, this is x, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 enough, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 enough, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 enough, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why? Because 14 is there. If you take 2 also, you can take, no problem. But no need. Here just I am erasing this. Eleven, 12, 13, 14 last. Okay. So, but in the graph sheet you will get nicely only. Okay. Here minus 3 comma 14. Minus 3 comma 14. This is minus 3 here, plus 14 here. Okay. Next, minus 2 comma 6. Minus 2 comma 6. Here 6 is there. Okay. Next, minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0. 0 is here only. Here minus 1. Minus x is minus, y is 0. So here only we will get. Next, 0 comma minus 4. X is 0, y is x is 0, y is minus 4. So here last point minus 4. So x is 0, y is minus 4. Okay, here it will be. Next, see 1 comma minus 6. 1 comma minus 6. So minus 6 till down it will be. Just you can adjust it. Minus 6 means minus 5, minus 6 will get now. Next, 2 comma minus 6. 2 comma minus 6. That will over now. 1 comma minus 6, 2 comma minus 6. Same points it will be. Next, minus 4 means 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4. Minus 4 is here. Okay, like this. Now you can, if you take still more values means like this points will get. So by joining this all you will get. See, with free hand you can see here also there. See, you got it a parabola. Yes or no? Upward parabola. You got it upward parabola. Once look at down also there. Just you got it upward parabola. Yes or no? So what I said, for a quadratic polynomial, the shape of the graph will be parabola. This we got it upward parabola. After getting scale is compulsory. Scale don't forget. So on x-axis, what we took? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit we took. On y-axis also, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit we took. Okay, this is the graph of the scale. Okay. Now based on the conditions, actually for quadratic polynomials, what we are saying? At most 2 zeros we are saying. Yes or no? It depends on the degree. At most 2 zeros. How it will be? Okay. I hope you understand this. Next, that based on the conditions, I will tell you. Okay. Now, actually, first case, this is the case 1. In case 1, the graph it will shows like upward parallel. Upward parallel like this. Okay, it is intersecting x-axis at 2 points, so it is having 2 zeros, right? Second case means here it will be upward or downward. This is upward 2 zeros, this is downward parabola 2 zeros. Okay, second case only 1. It will intersect only at 1 0. Upward at 1 0, it is means that it is intersecting x-axis at one point, so that is 1 0. Okay, now this is upward. Now if you take downward parabola also, just it will intersect at one point x-axis. Okay, this is downward, upward, but 0 how many? Only 1 0. Okay, third case no zeros. Third case it will not intersect upward and or downward parabola. It will not intersect. It will not intersect the x-axis. This is x-axis, y-axis now. X, y-axis now. This parabola not intersecting x-axis. This downward parabola also not intersecting at x-axis. So case 1 having 2 zeros for upward and downward parabola, and second case it is having only 1 0 for upward downward parabola, and third case this quadratic polynomial not having any zeros. There is no zero. Okay, so here by graphical representation of this, what we can say here, quadratic polynomial having at most 2 zeros. At most 2 zeros. Maybe it will be 2 zeros. First condition 2 zeros. Second condition 2 equal zeros. 2 equal zeros. 2 equal zeros means 1 only na. Suppose 2, 2. 1 only na. 2 equal zeros. Third case 2 equal 0 means 1 0. 1 0. Here no zeros. No zeros. Third case. So by using these three conditions we can conclude that quadratic polynomial having at most 2 zeros. Quadratic polynomial having at most 2 zeros. Okay. I hope you understand. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me. Have a nice day. Bye.